Recent reports have revealed that Redmi may skip the Note 16 branding for its next Note lineup. As a result, the upcoming series is expected to include multiple models, such as the Redmi Note 17, Redmi Note 17 Pro, and Redmi Note 17 Pro Max. Recent reports have also revealed new details about its cameras and chipset. The Chinese variant of the Redmi Note 17 Pro Max will feature a new MediaTek Dimensity 7500. Moving to the camera department, the Redmi Note 17 Pro Max is said to feature a 200-megapixel Samsung HP5 primary camera and an 8-megapixel OmniVision OV8 f10 ultra-wide sensor. Feature a 32-megapixel Samsung S5 KKDS front-facing camera. By packing a 10,000 mAh battery, the Note 17 Pro Max could become Xiaomi's biggest battery smartphone to date. Expected to support 100W fast charging, the Redmi Note 17 Pro Max will have a massive 7-inch display with a flat design. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.